Greetings, my dear friends. Recently, I came across videos on social media. Not just one, but several. All of them were about the structure of the human cell. I watched and could not look away, because inside that microscopic particle of our body, there is an entire life, an entire world, a city, a country, a universe. This connects very well with my previous video, what if our universe is just an atom inside a ring or inside another object, and that the beings living on that atom might not even suspect the existence of a world beyond its boundaries. But today I am talking about something else, not about atoms, about cells. Recently, two scientists, Evan Ingersoll and Gail McGill, created a detailed model of the human cell. They constructed a composite image overlaying data from different microscopy methods. The result was astonishing. Looking at this model, you realize that we have never been alone. Inside us, an entire ecosystem, a civilization. Let us start with the most prominent, the mitochondrion. It is called the power plant of the cell. It processes energy, oxidizes organic matter, and releases heat and ATP, the universal energy source for all living organisms. If the cell is a factory, the mitochondrion is the generator room. Without it, everything stops. Another important structure is the peroxisome. It oxidizes fatty acids. In plants, it regulates respiration during photosynthesis. In us, it handles recycling and detoxification, a small chemical factory inside a vast city. Then there are the centrioles. They are involved in cell division, but their full function is still not fully understood. Scientists still do not completely know what they do or how they work. Even at the microscopic level, there are mysteries, their own dark matter. The vesicles are tiny bubbles that transport and store nutrients. If the mitochondrion is the power plant, the vesicles are the warehouses, couriers, trucks, the logistics center. They are covered by a thin, fatty membrane that separates them from the internal environment. And now, the most interesting part, the environment in which all of this lives, the cytosol. This is the fluid that fills the cell. It looks chaotic, but within that chaos is its own aesthetic, its own harmony. The cytosol is mostly water, about 70%. Dissolved in that water are organic compounds, various ions, potassium, sodium. Their balance is crucial. It determines how much more water the cell can let in. Like a national budget, you cannot spend more than you have. All substances in the cytosol are present exactly in the form needed for the cell to function properly. All metabolic products pass through the cytosol. Fuel is delivered to the organelles, and waste products leave through it. This is the Ministry of Transport, Economy, and Agriculture of the cell. No downtime, no bribes to officials, no wrong deliveries. Everything is precise, on schedule, with the right priorities, without delays. Economists in any country would envy such a perfect transportation infrastructure. And finally, the nucleus. The nucleus is the main repository of hereditary information. It is like an archive, a library, a mission control center. Inside it is DNA, the complete instruction manual for building and operating the organism. Without a nucleus, the cell does not know what it is doing. It is its government. And here is what I think about all of this. It is remarkable that although the cell is the smallest part of a living organism, incapable of thought, everything inside it is so perfectly arranged that any sage or perfectionist would be envious. No chaos, no accidents. There is structure, hierarchy, logistics, production, waste management, energy, governance. How is this not a civilization? How is this not a society? Only the inhabitants of this society are not people, they are organelles. Each has its own role. The mitochondrion produces energy, The peroxisome processes waste, the vesicles distribute resources, the cytosol creates the environment, the nucleus stores information. They do not know of our existence. To them, we are outer space, the external environment. They obey the laws of chemistry and physics, unaware that they are part of a vast organism, you. So, what if we too are someone's cells? What if our planet is an organelle inside an organism the size of a galaxy? What if our solar system is a vesicle carrying resources? What if our galaxy is the nucleus storing the DNA of all existence? Look at the similarities. We have governments, like nuclei. We have transportation networks, like vesicles. We have power generation, like mitochondria. We have waste processing, like peroxisomes. We have a living environment, like the cytosol. Perhaps the universe is an organism. Perhaps we are merely cells in the body of something far greater, and that something may not even suspect our existence. Or perhaps it does suspect, but does not interfere, just as we do not interfere with the work of our cells. There is another thought. We study the cell. We know how it is structured, but can we know what a mitochondrion feels? Can it realize it is part of something larger? Can it step beyond the boundaries of its reality? In the same way, we study galaxies, but can we know what our universe feels? Can it realize that it is part of something larger, perhaps the body of God? I do not know. No one knows. But the similarity is striking. From atom to cell, from cell to organism, from organism to planet, from planet to galaxy. The same pattern repeats over and over. Structures within structures, worlds within worlds. In one of my previous videos, I said that our universe might be an atom. Today I say, what if our universe is a cell, and our galaxy is its nucleus, and our planet is a vesicle? Then the next question is, who are we? We are part of this organism. We are its cells. And we are performing our function whether we realize it or not. Perhaps humanity's task is to realize itself as a cell of a larger organism, not to lose our individuality, but to understand that we are part of a whole, and that our health is the health of the entire organism. When we wage war, we destroy ourselves. When we pollute the planet, we poison the environment in which other cells live. We stop performing our function. We begin to consume more than we produce. We begin to destroy neighboring cells, other nations, other cultures, other species of plants and animals. We seize resources. We do not think of the whole. We think only of ourselves. We are becoming a cancer cell. In biology, a cancer cell is a cell that has stopped responding to the body's signals. It begins to divide uncontrollably. It consumes enormous amounts of energy and resources without doing useful work. It does not respond to stop signals. It grows into neighboring tissues, destroying them, and in the end, if not stopped, it kills the entire organism, along with itself. Does this sound familiar? Humanity consumes the planet's resources as if there were no tomorrow. We cut down forests, kill the oceans, pollute the air. We fight over oil, over gas, over land. We do not hear the signals. The climate is changing, species are extinct, the sea level is rising. But we continue because we have forgotten that we are part of an organism. We have imagined ourselves as separate. We have stopped being healthy cells. We have become cancer. If that organism is Earth, then we are its disease. But a disease has two paths. The first is to destroy the host and perish along with it. The second is to stop, remember our function, and begin to serve the whole. Perhaps the realization that we are part of something larger is itself the cure, not a pill, not a technology, just understanding. We are not separate warriors, we are the cells of one organism, and as long as we fight each other, we destroy ourselves. But when we begin to cooperate, when we begin to care for the planet, for other species, for future generations, we become a healthy cell. We stop being cancer. We become the heart, or the brain, or something that helps the organism live and thrive. The choice is ours. Continue to divide uncontrollably, or remember who we really are, a part of the whole. I do not know if any of this is true, but I do know that when I think about the structure of the cell, I do not see biology. I see a mirror. And that is all for today. This was Dreamweaver Mystics. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And write in the comments, do you believe that our universe could be a cell of some vast organism? Or that you are a cell of me? I read everything. Until next time, and remember, inside are entire worlds. Treat them with respect.